Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial of dagnatube. Today I will show you how you can break pages on Microsoft Word of any version, maybe 2010, 11, 12, 13, 16 and 19, 20. We will see how we can break pages. Let's open our document. Maybe this is your document, and it has different parts. For example, it may be this is the cover page, and there may be table of contents next, introduction, and others. So for those different parts you have to give different pages. It may be Roman numbers. Here the cover page may not have a page, or it may not be paginated. Table of contents may have Roman numbers or other letters like ABCD, and the introduction numbers, page numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to break this page to give different numbers. So here let's start. Click on this, the first line of your title, and go to layout toolbar. Yeah, here it is, breaks, and you can select this next page. Click. Now it's breaked. To check whether it is break or not, click on home toolbar and click on this. This is, as you can see here, show or hide. It shows paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. This is especially useful for advanced layout tasks. So click on it, and we can see here section break. So starting from this up to the next break, the page numbers will be the same, and starting from this it will be other number. So let's break here again. Click on in front of your title here, click on here and go to layout, breaks, next page. Here there is section break, next page. So we have 2 page breaks. Now you can see how we can give page numbers, but we will see it with other part of my tutorial. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.